mandarin oranges, crushed pineapple, whipped topping, orange gelatin, and cottage cheese. Yes, I said cottage cheese. These are the ingredients you'll need for today's quick and easy recipe on Simply Cooking with Ken Thompson. Stay tuned. So welcome back to another edition of Simply Cooking with Ken Thompson. Today we are going to make something that is so simple, so fast, and it's versatile too. This can be used for potluck dinner, church social, cookouts, barbecues, just about anything. We even make it sometimes at Christmas, Thanksgiving, these kinds of things. Anytime you're putting together a large meal, this works really well, and it can be used as both a dessert and a side dish, and very much interchangeably. We usually put it as a side dish at some of the larger meals, such as cookouts, etc. Now, this requires no actual cooking, which is one of the plus ideas here. I don't see it very often, so it's nice to take a potluck dish that not everyone else is bringing. And all you need is a few ingredients and a couple of hours in the refrigerator, and you're good to go. So, first off, what we do need is cottage cheese, mandarin oranges, crushed pineapple, whipped topping, like Cool Whip or another store brand is fine, and orange gelatin, or Jello if you wish. So, basically it starts out this way. This only came in 24 ounce. I need 12 ounces, so I'm not really going to measure. I'm just going to put about half of my cottage cheese in the bowl. That should work right there. And I know, cottage cheese doesn't sound right for a dessert, but believe me, it works out just fine. Here we go. Put that to the side. Now we're going to take our whipped topping, and this would be I believe it's an 8-ounce container. We just put the whole container in. So, notice I don't have a measuring cup out even. Nothing. Like I said, this is simple. It doesn't get a lot easier than this. Okay. Once you have those in the bowl, I give them a quick little stir. Okay. Now, as far as the orange gelatin goes, what we want is one large box, which is the 6-ounce box, or 2 small boxes, which are the 3-ounce boxes. So in essence, we want 6 ounces of gelatin. And look at that, making a mess already. That's okay though, it cleans up. And one more. Oh no! There we go. Alright. So we'll pop these in the trash can real quick. Now that that's in, we stir this together until it's pretty well blended. Some people call this pink fluff, some people call it orange fluff. Considering it's made mainly with, orange Jello and mandarin oranges, I would call it orange, but, it's kind of a pinky orange color when it's done. And it goes quick, let me tell you. Everyone seems to like this. Some people may have a little issue with the cottage cheese just because it's kind of weird, maybe. But it adds the texture that works best in this, I think. Instead of just being super creamy, it's got a little bit of something there, like little lumps. Okay. Put it in, stir it up, stir it up. Not a whole lot more than that. Now once this is blended fairly well, we're going to take, now the fruit is drained, I'm going to take 2 11-ounce cans of mandarin oranges with the liquid drained off of them, 1 20-ounce can or thereabouts of crushed pineapple, also drained. Everything over to the side here. Now we're going to stir this up. See there? It fills this bowl up pretty good. Didn't look like it was really going to do that, but it does. I'm going to stir it up. Just until it's nice and blended together. Just like so. And like I say, this works great for cookouts, barbecues, socials, potlucks, especially when it's something that you need last minute. All you need is a few ingredients. You don't even have to turn on the oven. You don't have to pull out a mixer. All you need is a bowl, a can opener, and a spoon. Once this is all mixed together like that, we're going to, oh, by the way, I can't say enough about these silicone spoons and spatulas. I love these things. If you don't have any, you should get some. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put the lid on it. Going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2, maybe 3 hours. Now it does not congeal. It will still have a creamy consistency when it's ready. And you take it, put it out on the table, let people spoon it out onto their plate. Like I said, it can be a side dish, it can be a dessert. We usually use it as a side dish, honestly. But it can be a nice little dessert too, a little treat. If you have kids and you want to make something while they're at school one day, something a little surprise for them, you can have this after dinner. You'll take, like I say, it doesn't take but a few minutes to put it together, put it in the refrigerator, and we're good to go. Anyway, I would like to say thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to put out some more videos now. I had a little hiatus there for a while, but we're going to get back into the swing of things here. I've got some ideas. If you have some ideas of some things that you think would be helpful or you would like to see, go ahead and put them in the comments below. Thank you very much. Have a great day and enjoy.